Alright, so we got an 8-hour late California Zephyr pulling in here, and we can see why. There is a UP Gevo, it looks like, leading the train. They had power issues, clearly, and so they tacked on this freight locomotive. This will be really cool. The previous night, the train broke down west of Helper, Utah, leading to a delay of more than 9 hours. According to Facebook, the lead locomotive, Phase 4 Heritage Unit number 164, developed a loading issue. The second locomotive, number 54, was needed to provide head-end power for the coaches and therefore could not pull the train by itself. To solve this problem, Union Pacific provided 2 GE locomotives to tow the dead train the rest of the way to California. Making this scene even more interesting is the lead unit, UP number 6376, which is a former Southern Pacific AC-44 CW still with its flashing ditch lights. It was cool to see this former SP unit operating over this storied Southern Pacific route. Alright, so we're here on Donner Pass right now. We're waiting on Amtrak 5. We just got him down in Truckee. He's 9 hours late. He had a mechanical issue out in Utah. Clearly, I think both engines broke down. So UP put 2 motors on the head end. And to make it more interesting, one of the engines that broke down was the newly painted Phase 4 Heritage Unit number 164. So it's quite the lineup on this train here. So we're following him up Donner now. We got a good shot set up here at Norden, and he should be here in a few minutes. Amtrak number 164 was released from the Beech Grove shops only about 2 weeks before this video was taken, and serves as a replacement for the former Phase 4 Heritage Unit number 184, which was repainted a few months ago. While the paint is fresh, the locomotive itself, along with the rest of Amtrak's P-42DC Genesis fleet, are showing their age, making mechanical issues like this one not uncommon. This particular engine has over 4 million miles on it. Luckily, Amtrak is addressing their aging fleet with the purchase of 125 new Siemens Charger locomotives, the first of which are already in service. The old P-42s will be phased out over time as more Chargers enter service. All right, to the next spot. I have number 5 with the 2 UP leaders. That's probably gonna run out a good light after this shot, so this is gonna be our last one. The train's so late today that usually it's through here late morning, and you can chase it all the way in good daylight, but not today. But the engines more than make up for that, and we get some nice evening light on the shots too. So we're gonna get him one more time here on Donner Pass.